Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So in today's video, we are doing a speed test with our Traxxas two-wheel drive. As you can see from your screens, on the top left, we have the speedometer, which we got from our GoPro footage. Also, in the bottom right of your screen is a G-force meter. Before we start our speed test, our Traxxas two-wheel drive is all stock and we are using a 2S Lipo battery. Okay, speed test. Speed test in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so guys, there you can see that we were able to achieve 22 miles per hour from this speed test, and we still have a optional gearing that came from the box, and in the future videos hopefully we can install this optional gearing, then do another speed test for you guys. Thanks everyone for watching our speed test video, and we're wishing you a happy holidays. Bye for now.